What is going on, everybody? Back for another episode, and I'm pleased to announce that Woolwich software is available to the 6th gen owners. I honestly thought today was going to be nothing but cap because, you know, it's April 1st, so April Fool's Day. A couple of reputable guys said that they have access and are starting to mess with a bike right now, right into the ECU and everything. So I'm like, wow. They sent some screenshots so, you know, people wouldn't be thinking that they're lying and stuff, which is great, because I for sure was like, man, I don't know. I even wrote Woolwich and was like, man, what's going on, you know? Did you guys drive? Did you guys not? And the representative from the North America side of the house told me that they did not, and that they actually had a meeting about finishing up some things and trying to get some other things done before they drop it. So after I told him, like, hey, some reputable people posting screenshots, this and that, he said, hey, well, it's possible Australia might have went ahead and made it accessible and didn't let them know and that sort of thing. So he told me to go ahead and try to access it. So I did go home, and it's showing that everything is available, man. I'm kind of shocked because it was unexpected. I was actually working on another video discussing that I don't think it's going to be available before I leave. So, you know, kind of a little disappointed, but at the same time, you know, I understand these things take time, and I'd rather them not rush and drop it and then there's a bunch of issues with it, you know. So I'm on the way to Track Ready Performance right now to go drop it off. I think I went ahead and decided to do 93 and MR12 for now. I don't think E85 is going to be something that I use enough to really warrant doing that, so I'm just going to do 93 and MR for now, and we'll go from there. There's still a couple mods I wanted to do that I didn't get in time, so worst case I just probably have to get a little revision after I install that stuff in, because it's probably going to run a little leaner after I put that stuff on, and it's all good. So some of the things I'm going to be putting on is 16:8 OEM ZX10 stacks. Those of you that are familiar with the platform know that those are the ones to go to if you want more peak power. They may not necessarily be the best in low and mid range, but for peak power, that's what you want. So I want to test with those, kind of check out some differences and how the bike feels compared to the MPT stacks. Not that the MPTs have done me wrong. I make good power with them, but I do want to test those and see how they react to my setup. I'm also waiting on the MWR intake spoiler, and that's pretty much else what I'm waiting on that hasn't come to me yet. I still need to gold tape my box and the bottom of the fuel tank and do some of the emissions and the air take or the air intake flap delete stuff. So I'll get to that when I get back, because I only got about a week left. So I don't want to spend the whole time, you know, turning wrenches on the bike when my son's got AAU games and different things like that. So I want to just be able to ride, enjoy, you know, for MotoGP weekend, and then spend time with my son and my wife. So that's the plan. So, but hopefully I can get you some results pretty soon. He's gonna obviously have to figure out what all is available on this platform. So I would say maybe like 3 days from here, from making this video, maybe I'll be able to have both fuels done, go on the street, do some riding, get him some logs, make some adjustments, and go from there. I didn't swap out this sprocket yet. I'm still in the 42 for now. More to follow on that. I have it on hand, so we'll do some testing and see how it feels once Woolwich and everything is done. But yeah, I'm still pretty much leaning towards going ahead and replacing that. I just don't see the 42 doing me any good with my weight, so we'll see though. But shout out to everybody. I did get 100 subscribers, guys. Happened a little faster than I thought, man. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. It doesn't go unnoticed for sure, and I'm looking forward to collabing with some of you guys that are local to me or maybe in other places that I may go to, you know what I'm saying, in the future. Hopefully in the summer I can make a couple of the big meets. Gonna look into getting a small motorcycle trailer and stuff then, so I don't have to put it in the bed of my truck and all that, man. So, and some pit bull restraints, all the good stuff. So we'll see how everything plays out. I'm gonna be very busy for my business trip that I got going on, so try to find some time to do things here and there, sightsee up there, and just make some random vlog content at that point, since the bike won't be with me. But yeah, man, that's pretty much plans right now. But pulling up to Track Ready right now, boys. Can't even wait, boy. Y'all don't even know. can hear them listening to music and stuff right now. Super excited, y'all.
Every time, bro.
Yes, sir.
Every time you come.
Yeah. Perfect timing. They don't have anything in the shop. I'm gonna get it right up on there, boys. You already know. We'll go ahead and hit a track ready for any of y'all needs, guys. Cars, bikes, all of that. Four-wheelers. Y'all already know. But guys, that's gonna be it for now. Dropping it off. We'll get some results soon, and you already know I'll get some documentation for you guys. You see what it looks like, what we're doing, and what Woolwich got, baby. But y'all appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.